So it is Monday morning. It is currently a bit after 10:30. You might be wondering why I'm waking up so late, but that's because I had a closing shift last night and didn't get into bed till about 1 a.m. I think. And so as a result, I slept in. I wanted to make this set of videos because I've done a few park vlogs, done a few things, but I want to show what it's actually like on a typical week of the cultural exchange program. So I just woke up. As you can probably tell by my voice hasn't quite woken up yet either. And today isn't gonna be a park day because sometimes you have to do some adulting. For me, this is I think my 7th day working in a row just because of how the days off worked out between week to week. And I've been doing a lot of stuff in the mornings and trying to get out and do things, and as a result I have been kind of neglecting adulting. So that's gonna be the task for today. We're gonna go grocery shopping and then I have work later today. So this will be a pretty comparatively mundane day, but there's always at least one of those in every week. If you're interested in following me along with this journey, I will be posting these videos. I'm not sure how long these videos will be, to be honest. They'll probably vary depending on the day. I'm not entirely sure of the uploading schedule yet, so I would highly recommend, if you want to keep up with my week, hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload that next video. Let's get started.
Alright everyone, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the Philharmaddy Orchestra.
So the very first thing I do when I get up is check the weather because I need to get dressed properly, and that means figuring out what to wear. It looks like it's going to be a bit warm today. I'm going to be walking down. I'm not going to wear anything particularly special today, so let's get dressed. So this is my outfit for today, pretty basic. I got this shirt from Uniqlo. Actually, a few days ago, it was from Disney Springs. Got it on sale. I think it was around like 12 bucks. It's actually a guy's shirt, but I loved it too much not to get it. And then just exercise shorts for comfort. I will be walking down to Publix for today because I find that that's the quickest and easiest thing to do when it comes to grocery shopping. Personally, it's not that long of a walk from Commons. I just stick in my headphones, listen to a podcast and walk down there. So today I believe I'll be meal prepping for, I think, a sweet potato and chorizo chili. I'll have a link to the recipe down below. I basically rely on budget bites while I'm here because it's really great for cheap but good recipes that freeze really well, and then it means you don't have to do cooking for a while. So let's head on out. Okay, so I'm just leaving the Commons now. It is currently 11:08. So let's see how long it takes to get to Publix from here. So my strategy for grocery shopping is to always make a list. I know exactly what I'm going to be making, which will be some sweet potato and chorizo chili and possibly some pasta of some kind. And I go in with a list and I do not deviate from said list, because otherwise that's when you end up getting stuck and spending way more money than you want. Also, I am committing the cardinal sin of going grocery shopping while hungry. I have not had breakfast yet, but oh well. And the time is 11:20, so it took me 12 minutes to walk here. So really not that bad of a walk, get some nice fresh air, and yeah, let's go do some shopping. So that's the grocery shopping done. It was around $25 in total, and that was for all the ingredients I needed for a chili, plus a few extra things thrown in there as well. So let's get back to housing and start cooking. And I'm back, less than an hour. Nice. So time to get cooking. So a bit of a time jump now. We have the chili is on, bubbling away nicely. I'm gonna pop the lid on that in just a moment. It is now time to deal with the mess in the kitchen, clean up. Food should be ready in about half an hour. Yay! And it's done. So, managed to make how many servings? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 worth of servings plus a bit extra that can go into nachos or burritos at some point. I just think doing a chili is such a great way to do meal prep because you can make so many different things out of it. You can do nachos, you can do burritos, or just have it on its own with some rice. So basically I put them all into little bowls, got some cheese at the bottom, and all I need to do is either take a wrap, take some rice, or maybe some corn chips, and then I've got myself some meal for either when I'm at work or getting home really late. And I've still got about a bit under 2 hours until I have to go out for work, so I will probably spend that time chilling, watching some YouTube, catching up on some TV, and then head on out. So it's now 2:51, the bus is coming in about 10 minutes, so I have to get going. This is my stock costume outfit. It's not too bad, just shorts, shirt, and the most important thing, name tag. Must never forget the name tag, because I have done that once from Chris from Orlando. Never again, never again. But yeah, because of the way buses work, I like to get there early. I'm just gonna chill in the break room, play some Hearthstone, listen to podcasts, until it's time for me to clock in. Okay, and we're back. It is currently 20 minutes past midnight. I had to get extended a bit because Splash was very, very busy, and stocking Splash today, the cooler was a bit of a mess, but we got there in the end. I had the most adorable interaction that I have ever had. So I have this thing where I like to bow or curtsy if I'm wearing a dress to fellow princesses. And I'll always say, "Howdy, princess." And then this one kid literally then just ran up and hugged me and said, "You're a princess too," and it made my day. So yeah, that's the end of it. If you like this video, definitely hit subscribe down below. Click that notification bell because I will be posting more of these, and I've got a whole week coming up for you. Tomorrow I am working, well technically now today, I am working in about 10 hours time, and hopefully going to meet up with one of my friends, Monique, over at Hollywood Studios, so you can look forward to that. But until next time, TTFN.